Welcome back to the Jamaican adventure. My name is Alicia and this is my husband Nick.
Welcome back.
Today, this video is for you to get to know us a little better and to answer a few questions that we have been asked on many occasions. One of those questions is, how did we meet? How did this island girl meet this German guy?
Yeah, to answer that question, we will actually split that answer in a few parts. But first let's start with when did we meet for the first time, my love?
Yes. So the first time that we met was in 2013 and the second time was 2018. So that is a 5-year gap between the first time that we met and the second time.
Yeah, the first time we actually met in New York City. In a restaurant in New York City, a Jamaican fusion spot at the Lower East Side, and food was great, drinks were great, and the audience were great as well. That's the reason why we both exchanged our social media contacts and handles.
Yeah.
But for 5 years we did not have any contact, we did not speak, we did not somehow.
Yeah.
And then after 5 years I was living in California at that point. I checked my Instagram, I saw a picture of a delicious looking vegan dish and I liked it, and I complimented the person who posted on that dish, and that was actually Ellie back in the day. But who knows if I did not use that as a little,
Yeah.
just slide in there.
he slid into my DM.
So that said, after 5 years we reconnected again via social media, and then I decided to fly over to New York City from California for our first real date. And
Yeah.
the second time we actually met. Do you know what happened after our first date? Which was, of course, a success, because otherwise it wouldn't have continued.
Yes.
So we had a long distance relationship. And what did we do on Christmas then?
On Christmas, we decided to fly to Germany. So Nick flew in from California to New York, and during the course of that time, it was just a great opportunity for him to meet my family as well. So he met my family in New York, and then we decided to fly into Amsterdam and rented a car, had a road trip from Amsterdam to Belgium, from Belgium to Luxembourg, and finally we arrived in Germany, and I got to meet Nick's family for the very first time, which was absolutely amazing.
Yeah, it was a very great time and a great experience also, traveling together.
Our first year of living together was during the pandemic time. Beautiful sunny California was just such a great experience living there. And
yeah, we were living together for 6 months in California, and then the pandemic hit hard, like with lockdowns and everything, had an impact on our businesses, and we decided then, it's for the better when we
moved back to New York City.
Back to New York again. We go from east to west coast, from west coast to east coast.
Yeah.
Have love will travel, so they say.
Yeah. So actually Nick and I got engaged while we were in California. And what happened while we were in New York?
Yeah, we actually, this sounds now not really New York, but we had a barefoot wedding. And now comes the best part. We had 0 physical attendance. We had it all via Zoom. Yeah. Our entire ceremony was a Zoom wedding. We had the family from Germany,
Jamaica.
From Jamaica, we had the witness from Brooklyn. We had everybody on Zoom. It was a little different.
But honestly, I would not have had it any other way.
No, not of course.
Not any way, no. It was a great time. It's a little unconventional, to say the least, but I wouldn't change anything. I think it was knowing, if you know the type of person that we are, I think it just fits right within our dynamic. Absolutely.
And our story maybe also, you
Yeah,
know, with
yeah.
all that social media.
Yeah.
And now it's Zoom, and yeah, nonetheless, now we are a married couple here in New York City, and you know already what is our next plan. That is, we mentioned in our first video, is actually visiting Jamaica next.
Yeah.
So we went to Germany already, so Ellie could meet my family there. Now it's my turn to go to Ellie's home country and visit her family there.
Yeah.
And travel around a little bit. So we are very excited and hope that you will join us on that trip. We are our little GoPro, which we have here, and we are sharing our life with you.
Yeah, it's going to be very exciting. I'm really looking forward to the journey with you, and you know, see what's out there, what's next to come. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be awesome.
And we also hope that your love will find us by you liking our videos, sharing them, commenting, and of course subscribing to our channel, The Jamaican Adventure. And please do not forget, or you know what, do not forget, just turn them on. Turn on those notifications so you know when we drop a new video. And what's our next video? Do we know that already? I think we don't know it yet, but it will probably be posted within a few days.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Do you have anything else to say?
Not really. Just tune in to see what happened in our lives. Now that we're a married couple, you just never know. Until then, auf Wiedersehen. See you soon. Later.